Hello everybody, my name is Ryan and today we're going to make a really good cocktail called an oil slick. So, go ahead, shut up and pay attention. Okay, so the oil slick is a really good drink. I actually found it at a local bar in Ventura, California called The Tavern. If you guys are ever there, you should go there because it's good. So, what you're going to need for an oil slick is we're going to have some Bullet Rye 95, some balsamic vinegar, some blue agave, and a little bit of ginger beer, and we're gonna get some fresh basil from the garden, or this pot because it's in my kitchen. The tools you're gonna need a muddler, a jigger, good old-fashioned cocktail shaker, and a sieve. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our jigger. And now this recipe is going to make us 2 drinks. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put about 3/4 ounce, which is one little side of the jigger, into the shaker. We're going to get about 4 leaves of basil, the good stuff. Maybe we'll go with about 3, just enough to kind of cover the palm of your hand. We're going to toss that in there, and then we're just going to give this a light muddling. Now you don't have to go too crazy on the muddle of this, because it's a leaf, and because it tastes better if you don't. So just a couple little muddles in there. Kind of get that aroma going, start to smell like agave and a little bit of basil. It smells pretty good. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to grab our jigger again. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put 2 little guys in here, which is about 1 big guy. So basically we're going to do 1.5 ounces of balsamic vinegar. Three ounces of our Bullet Rye. 2 big sides of the jigger. You know what? We're actually going to do 4. Because that's the right way to do it. And I told you the wrong way first. Go ahead and put our rye over there. Add ice. Oops. Try not to make a mess when you do it. Okay, we're gonna lid that. Then we're gonna start shaking. And I usually like to hum a nice little song to myself when I shake until the outside of the shaker here gets nice and frosty. So go ahead and start your shaking.
Cut the lights on, cut these fucking lights on. All this ice on, don't need to cut the lights on. Cut the lights on, cut these fucking lights on.
Take your sieve here. Go ahead and strain that. This is called a double strain. And what's this doing? This is getting all the chunks, the basil out of there. No one likes chunks in their drinks. It's true. Ask the internet. Let's top those off nice. Then we're gonna add our ice cubes into there. You could have done this first. It probably would have been better. But it's okay. I've got these really nice diamond shaped.
All this ice on, don't need to cut the lights.
Pretty sweet. Toss that in there. Oop. Nothing happened. Pull up our ginger beer. Give that a nice little float to the top. And there we have it. One really refreshing oil slick.